Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start now, pick 1/2 to 1 cup of uncooked rice and place it in a clean bowl. Rinse once to remove dust, then add about 2 cups of filtered water and press the grains lightly. You want cloudy water, not muddy. Soak for 30 to 60 minutes to extract starch and nutrients. Once the time passes, swirl the mixture to release more proteins, then strain into a jar. This liquid is your rice water concentrate, ready for the next step. You now choose fresh or fermented. For fresh use immediately, it's milder. For fermentation, leave the strained rice water in a covered jar at room temp for 24 to 48 hours, between 20 and 30 degrees Celsius, to boost pH and amino acids. Once it smells slightly sour, refrigerate to stop fermentation. Make sure to dilute 1-to-1 with water or add a tablespoon of conditioner for better spread. This balances strength and prevents buildup when you apply it to hair. You apply rice water to freshly washed, damp hair, pour or spray, then gently massage into scalp and comb through the lengths for 5 to 10 minutes so proteins penetrate. Leave it on for 5 to 20 minutes depending on sensitivity, then rinse thoroughly. Follow with shampoo if your hair feels stiff. If you notice itchiness, redness, or white residue, stop use, clarify with a diluted vinegar rinse, and reduce application to once every 2 weeks to avoid protein overload.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.